to the adrenaline-filled journey of Onto Hood, where true adventurers, the Hooders, gear up to conquer the stunning landscapes of Bali on their dual-purpose machines. This morning, engines roar to life as every rider checks their gear, helmets, protectors, and an unshakable spirit. Because for the Hooders, every ride isn't just a trip, it's a ritual of adventure. Bali greets us with warm air and views that make you forget the world. The journey begins along the coastline, sea breeze rushing past, waves racing on our side, and the Onto Hood convoy carving a bold line across the horizon. Entering the on-road section, winding asphalt becomes the stage for our wheels to dance, passing calm villages and friendly locals waving as we ride through. And as we push deeper into Bali's forests, this is where the real adventure begins. Dirt paths, exposed routes, slippery descents, and climbs that test both skill and courage. Every dust cloud, every rock crossed becomes part of the Onto Hood story. This is the adventure that unites us. This is the journey of the Hooders. Hold tight, grip strong, because Onto Hood Adventure Bali is just getting started. Let's ride!
Ini pengalaman pertama, Om. Ini jalurnya
pengalaman pertama sih jatuhnya. Jadi pertama kali ke Bali. Ya semoga aja berhasil dengan baik.
Aduh, pagi-pagi begini udah di pinggir pantai tapi sehat sih. Kalau lari.
Ketemu lagi kita di RFT 6 Bali, coy. Pantai langsung tuh. Kapan lagi yang nggak ikut ke RFT di Bali? Biasanya Jawa Barat, sekarang Bali. Top dah.
Turis bro, kita mau main main anjur-anjuran ya. Dari pantai menuju hutan, terus mana lagi kita nggak tahu seperti di mana, tapi yang penting fun. Yeah.
Yang pertama mental yang paling penting. Kedua fisik. Kita dari grup Dewata Tourister, grup Bali. Kita 9 orang kalau nggak salah. Dan kita semangat. Sebelumnya selalu Bandung. Now we are in Bali. Look at the weather. I think it's going to be very fun. Baru nyampe titik start, kenapa copot? Saya baru sekali nih, karena di Bali, makanya harus ikut.
Gua terprovokatif lihat ban Om Mallory.
Paling garuk, paling tahu.
Baru pertama kali ikut RFT. Tahu ini gimana cara baca. Belajar sama Om Sane. Pokoknya kita belakang Om Sane aja deh pokoknya.
Kita kan per grup, jadi semoga di grup kita ada leader yang mumpuni. Jadi kita bisa finish gawat.
Pertama kali
Wah ini udah benar sih. Oh, dan harus survive.
Ngopi dulu.
Ride Venture in West Java is a story we'll never forget. That morning, the fog hung low as engines came alive, and every rider prepared to face a trail full of surprises. Steep climbs, slippery dirt, river crossings, and mud that made the bikes feel like they had a mind of their own. Yet through every obstacle, the laughter and shouts of excitement never stopped. What made it unforgettable wasn't just the terrain, but how every rider helped, watched over and trusted one another. Ride Venture proved that true adventure is always made when we ride together. The roar of engines blended with the sound of crashing waves as the Hooters entered the beach route. A line of bikes moved boldly forward, like a convoy of adventurers challenging the horizon. Sea breeze struck their helmets, carrying the salty scent of the ocean that made every breath feel wider and freer. Tires rolled over soft sand, leaving long tracks that were instantly erased by the waves, as if the beach itself was welcoming Ride Venture 6 in the most epic way. A few Hooters stood on their footsteps, soaking in the endless view. Blue ocean to the left, clear sky above, and the formation of riders cruising neatly along the shoreline. Occasionally, the bikes wobbled as their wheels sank into deeper sand, but that only sparked laughter and excited shouts from the group. At one point, the waves splashed high enough to soak boots and exhaust pipes, creating a sharp hiss that fueled even more enthusiasm. Further ahead, the beach opened wide like nature's own runway, giving every Hooter the space to feel a freedom that only riding can deliver. There is no other word but magnificent. The beach wasn't just an opening route. It was a grand stage that made sure Ride Venture 6 began in the most beautiful, powerful, and unforgettable way.
Penduduknya juga sangat luar biasa, ramah-ramah. Jalanan sepi karena barengan dengan Hari Raya Kuningan. Nah, artinya tuh bener orang nyasar wae sebelah kali ya. Apa mungkin dihajar ta? Kalau nggak nyasar mah nggak enak. Si ini sama RC itu. Si awalnya coba lihat tuh. Udah kacau we, dua kali ganti oke. Udah digantiin ini. Mantap.
Before starting the adventure, every Hooter is required to read the tulip map prepared carefully by the committee. This map is the key, the only guide that will lead you through every turn, every climb, and finally to the finish line. The route today is something special. You'll ride through peaceful village roads where the locals smile as you pass by. Then, the track slowly rises into rolling hills with fresh air, open views, and landscapes that make you forget you're actually in a competition. But of course, what's an adventure without a little chaos? Even with the tulip map right in front of them, some Hooters still manage to take the wrong turn. And honestly, that's where the magic happens. The confusion, laughter, the moment when everyone realizes they're off track. Then, working together to find the route again. That's the true spirit of this event. It's not just about reaching the finish line. It's about enjoying the journey, the surprises, and the stories you'll tell later. So take a deep breath, trust the tulip map, stay with your group, and let the adventure lead you to new memories.
Perjalanan oke, mantap, cuman hujan aja Pak, karena tadi pagi saya mandi, jadi akhirnya seharian hujan. Nah itu, tapi di tempat istirahat kita ada itu Pak, ada 2 bidadari. Coba lihat kameranya geser.
Keren, treknya keren. Trek yang pertama, licin-licin, slippery, nanjak-nanjak.
Once solid volcanic soil transformed into a battlefield. Slick stones scattered everywhere, deep puddles hiding under layers of dark mud, and visibility shrinking to nothing but the narrow beams of their headlights. Every meter became a fight, Narrow lines forced them to creep forward with absolute precision. Deep pits suddenly swallowed their front wheels. And sometimes, there was no escape. Splash! A rider and his bike disappeared straight into the mud. But this was the moment when the true spirit of the Hooders came alive. When one rider fell, engines around him stopped instantly. Within seconds, 3 others were already there. One lifting the bike out of the pit, one holding it so it wouldn't slide back in, and another guiding the safest line through the volcanic rocks. Rain kept slapping their helmets, mud coated their jackets and gloves, yet not a single complaint came out. They moved in one rhythm, like a unit forged by countless trails. Pushing, pulling, guarding each other without saying much. And in the end, the Black Road wasn't just an extreme route. It became a stage that revealed who they truly are. That adventure isn't only about how hard you twist the throttle, but how strong you stand together. On this brutal trail, the Hooders didn't just ride, they conquered, side by side.
Jalur Spartanya merdu sekali.
Ada kesulitan, Om?
Insya Allah tidak ada.
Tadi gimana
Aman.
sepanjang perjalanan?
Sepanjang perjalanan kaki kram.
Mantap.
Oh, Trio aja lewat. Nah, ini nih habitatnya tuh motor tuh pakai begini.
Karunya pisan lelah. Jalurnya mah jalur hese. Teh kubu. Malu tapi harga diri
Apa ini semua? Gila. Jalurnya masih oke. Tadi aku paling suka di Black Lava. Batu-batunya tajam-tajam. Mantap. Kita nyebrang-nyebrang itu apa namanya? Air-air. Mantap.
Istirahat. Yang habis tenaganya, tenaga motornya, tenaga orangnya. Remote-nya habis baterai. Lanjutan penyesalan, satu kali jalan gasnya begini nih, jangan main kupling, begini aja. Capek, mantap.
Dapet pin. Akhirnya dapet pin Spartan hanya di RFT 6 Bali. Jalur istimewa. Wah. Lanjut lagi, siap untuk RFT 7 pokoknya. Kalau RFT buat saya fardu ain. Harus ikut. Kalau RFT harus ikut.
Alhamdulillah. Pertama kali jalur, nggak yakin, akhirnya tapi bisa nyampe juga. Aduh, emang luar biasa. Bringka.
Selamat.
Pertama kali dapat. Sebelumnya pertama kali ikut juga.
Pernah ikut tapi?
Pertama kali.
Oh, pertama kali.
Iya.
Mantap.
Tapi ya lama nunggu yang lain.
Jadi tahun depan ikutan lagi.
Ulah umroh gitu alasannya. Lain gitu ya.
Yakin lah tahun depan ikutan lagi.
Jangan alasan naik umroh.
Ini pin ketiga. Bringka pokoknya. Grup luar biasa bersama Bringka. Dapat pin ketiga.